Greetings to everybody watching this from whom it is I, your prophet and spiritual guide, Dr. Thokozile Mayini Nsizwa Kamnguni, also known as Dr. Prof Mayini Mnguni, and you're tuned in to the Spiritual Fix, guys. On today's show, I think I just want to be specific, and then I want to be straight on point, so that guys, ninga mislead, because you do things wrong. Bese kusasa masenihamba futhi nibuyela kubelaphi niyofuna usizo ni consult, you find that people bathiwa okay thiwa umuntu ugeziwe kodwa manje masuhamba uyohlola kuthiwa leyo nsebenzo ayenzekanga kahle, or you want spiritually cleansed. Okay, so guys, the problem there is that sisebenzisa imithi wrong. When it comes to medicine, we need to be specific, guys. We need to know ukuthi okay le khambi zisebenzisa elani lenzani. Understand? Okay, so when it comes to ukugeza abantu abangasekho, right? When it comes to ukugeza abantu abangasekho, guys, it is in 3 ways. It is in 3 ways. You only use 3 usebenzisa imithi emithathu zokuzana. It is only 3 medicine. I'll be specific. So inkinga la is that we use the same herb for everything, and then ingakhani bese kuba ngathi ke izinto zethu azenzeki noma amadlozi awaphili kanti hayi imistake ikuthina Thokozana. So when it comes to ukugeza abantu abadala Thokozana, when it comes to okay I'll be specific. Masithi sikhuluma ngendoda, angithi kunendoda kunomfazi, right? So why abafazi bababili? It is because kunomfazi ongashadiwe oziluthela nje ogqwala umhlaba nje usigidlava, and then there's umfazi oshadiwe, right? So now guys, when it comes to this indoda, right? Okay, angayi sonke bonke sibalanda ngesihlahla esisodwa umlahlankosi, which is umlahla abantu angithi. Yes, so sonke sibalana ngomlahlankosi. Yes, it is true. Akusimfihlo, right? Akusimfihlo ubelaphi indabuko, akusimfihlo because ila sidabuka khona Thokozana. So we need to clarify and give people clear understanding, because kusasa abantu bayaxakeka kuba mnyama endleleni zabo kanti izinto abazinzanga kahle bona bazitshela ukuthi hayi kambe kahle konke Thokozana. So guys, indoda whether ishadiwe or ayishadwanga, indoda isebenzisa umuthi owodwa. Sithi ke loyo umlahlankosi Thokozana. Umlahla abantu noma uyolanda umuntu, ngisho umama, ngisho umntana, noma uyolanda umuntu usebenzisa umlahlankosi Thokozana. Ukhulume naso isihlahla, ukhulumisa umuntu phezulu kwesihlahla Thokozana. Uthi hayi namhla ekhehla sakulala usiyolala ke endaweni yakho yokugcina Thokozana. So masebenzisela indoda, we use umlahlankosi for ukulanda umzimba and ukulanda umoya Thokozana. I'm sorry for that. Ukulanda umoya we use umlahlankosi, right? Sawukhulumisa ke uthi hayi khehla wena zibanibani namhlanje ke sizokuthatha ke sikise ekhaya lakho lomagcina ke namhlanje kanjani Thokozana. And then after that it comes to the cleansing, guys. It comes to the cleansing where lani phambuka khona, nabelaphi benu. I need to advise, please guys, siyabonisana siyakhulisana, akusumona uzibona ukhukhumezeka, siyakhulisana siyabonisana Thokozana. So now when it comes to ukulahla noma ukususa amathunzi Thokozana, it is a spiritual cleansing lapho ke susa amathunzi angithi. So when it comes to this, makuyindoda noma ngaba umfana omncane, ngisho na 3 years, ngisho nangakhi, it don't matter the age, as long as ayindoda, kusetshenziswa umlahlankosi kuko konke. Namakhambi wena enizogeza ngawo kusetshenziswa umlahlankosi. Ngahle kufaka kwamanye amakhambi kodwa umlahlankosi kumele abe khona kuze yena azoba representable Thokozana. And then when it comes to umama, angithi I said these three. Umama ongashadile, Thokozani. Umama ongashadile, guys, umuntu ongathathwa ngithi. So manimgeza ke lo muntu asithi mhlambe ke usisweni noma udadweni sekandlule emhlabeni. Manimgeza ke manje, you are now going to use lesihlahla lesi ekuthiwa umazula. Umthole kahle kahle. Umazula azayithola. Angithi nizosebenzisa umazula azayithola, azule ke naye azamthole kusisi loyo noma ke umama ke loyo. Bese ke uyagezeka loyo mama, nimkhulumise phezulu kweinsebenzo zenu ukuthi hayi namhlanje sigeza wena zibanibani wakwazibanibani, hlambuleka uze kahle ube idlozi elihle phezulu kweimpilo zethu, Thokozani. So it is for everyone, ngaba usisi, ngaba ingane encane, umuntu nje waziyo ukuthi akaganiwe kusetshenziswa leso sihlahla. You can akusinkinga ukufaka amanye ama-herbs because sebenza ngokufana, so akusinkinga ukufaka amanye ama-herbs, but the most important herb is umazula azayithola, guys. And then masisiya kumuntu ke manje oshadile, umuntu oshadile sisebenzisa ikhambi ekuthiwa umganiselwa. Ayangazi ke ngelinye ilimi nilibiza ngani, kodwa ke mina ngazi umganiselwa, guys, Thokozani. So umuntu ke oshadile noma seni nisusa amathunzi phezulu kwakhe noma nizihlambulula nisusa amathunzi phezulu kwenu, nizosebenzisa ikhambi umganiselwa. You can mix other herbs because asisebenzi ngokufana njengoba ngichaza, Thokozani. But then the most important herb is umgani. So ngiyadinga ke ukuthi nilungiseni into zenu, khanye phezulu kweimpilo zenu, ngoba impumelelo yethu sonke bantu abadala. No one was brought on this earth to suffer and experience blockages and sobumnyama phezulu kweimpilo zabo. So if thiwa ke usuhambile waya kumelaphi wasekusiza umelaphi kodwa into zakhe azange zilunge, then clearly the problem is there. So I would advise ukuthi ubheke ukuthi kuyenzakaleni. Okay, mhlambe ngoba belaphi abayikhiphi imfihlo yethu umuthi imfihlo yethu. So mhlambe makuthiwa ke insebenzo yakhe ayihambanga kahle, it is due to that. It is due to ukuthi umelaphi akasebenzisanga inkambi ezifanele ukuthi wena ulapheke noma laba abakumbethe balapheke, Thokozani. So when it comes to that point, you need to be direct and then nilungiseni, clear the mistakes, guys, so that there can be no blockages in your life, because izinto ezivimbayo yizo lezi zinto ezincane esingazithatheli ekhanda. So I'm advising you today, as your spiritual guide, your spiritual healer, your father, indlondlo yasemoyeni, Thokozani. Ngiyacela ke manje ukuthi nilungiseni indlela zenu bantu abadala kuze kuzoba nokukhanya, into zenu zivuleke, amakhaya aphumelele, imizi ifezeke, bakha abantu, because these things, they block us from progressing in life, Thokozani. So it is the problem that thina siyithatha lightly, but then iyasilimaza for eternity. Mangithi eternity, I mean generations and generations to come. So if fika generation and then loyo muntu loyo akayilungisi lento leyo, wena uimoshile ungasekho ezweni, izoqhubeka ihlukumeze nalabo abanye abezayo, sengisho zona izizukulwane, ngoba ngiyithanda kakhulu nangazi ke. Ngiyacela ke bafowethu asicorrecteni, silungise okumoshekile kukhandeke bafowethu, okuqondile kuqonde bafowethu. And then until then bafowethu, from me to you, it is love and light. Uthokozile Mayeni, Mnguni, also known as Dr. Prof Mayeni. You can check me out on all socials at Thokozile Mayeni Mnguni. Until then, guys, nyanthanda, phephisani, sebenzisani, sibumbane, singathi sizinyanga siloyane sithakathane. No, where is progression in that? As in, till next time, bafethu, ngithanda nonke.